last time when we talked about Facebook was before earnings, and after the market, after stock reported earnings, we have not covered it. So let's go. $237 at the moment for the stock. I'm going to switch to a daily chart. On a daily chart, I'll show you what I was watching here. So basically this blue trend line I was watching as a resistance trend line, and we talked about this stock pretty much. We talked that no matter what they report, that the stock could be down just because of technicals, all right? And also right here, right now, well, it's a big drop. I'm 100% sure you have heard so many other stories. And also, this is a weekly chart. So I have to switch to weekly chart just to show you that where we are at the moment. Well, 100% you can say that, stock is not in a correction territory anymore. So below 300, we're talking about the stock falling into bear market. Officially, yeah, Facebook, welcome to bear market. And also, this is a really, really pivotal support zone. So I don't have it on my chart highlighted as a zone, but we can quickly just, I can quickly show you what zone. So basically 245, and also bottom channel would be 240. So this $5 zone is a demand zone in my opinion, right here, right now. Just based on this resistance levels from 2020 summertime. Also, I would like to find more of a decent support or by looking at the profile, volume profile. Okay, so I'm not using special settings. So a lot of people have asked me when I showed it last time that, hey, what kind of settings do you have for this? I don't have any special settings, just a regular whatever the Thinkorswim gave me. I think I had to just to slide a bit. So according to that, same thing, 236. So if you see these volume spikes, all right, so I'm sorry, I don't have a pen. So let's take a look at, not really prepared, huh? Sorry. So 200, and if you see this red line, I'll get my highlighter just for this name. If you look at it, every time you see these big spikes, that's where the most volume traded. And whenever stock slips below, these levels become resistance, right? But when those levels, when stock is trading above these levels and stock falls to these levels, usually these levels act as a support. Just like lower channel of this volume profile is 237. That's where we are hovering around. So very likely you can see Facebook rally pretty much to 260. And I wouldn't call it like a rally, but just a relief bounce. So that's what I'm looking for in the near future. If market just calms down a bit, because market has been extremely volatile as well. So, and if you measure this drop, so basically I'm not going to measure it from where it, well, let's do it. Let's do it from where it dropped. So it was 25%, right? So 88 points. So from, let's go from 234. Let's say, how much would it move if it recovers basically half of this drop? So let's say 44 point move would take Facebook somewhere to 275, I want to say 265, 275. Yeah, that's very, very probable. Just like I'll show you Netflix. All right, so let's go to Netflix. So Netflix dropped pretty big as well on earnings. If you guys already forgot that, well, this is it right here. So that's what I'm talking about. So it may not fill the whole gap, right? But anytime you see a stock down this big, 20, 30%, 25%. So from this bottom of the before earnings, 149 points drop. That was the Netflix drop. And then it went up about 98 points. So I usually give 50% room. So if it drops, let's say 25% and like 50 points, like for the stock, doesn't matter for fundamental reasons why it dropped, especially these kind of big, large cap stocks. They tend to bounce. They tend to try to recover half of it and then starts fading away. So same thing with Facebook. If you're trying to short Facebook right here, right now, well, let it rally, let it go up a bit, and that's your target. Again, it's not a financial advice, but that's what I would look for. All right, and from there, you guys know the support resistance levels. Well, support, well, this is it, 235 to that these lows that it put. Basically, I think it went as low as 230. That's the support. Okay, if it doesn't hold, if it does go like try to recover half, and then we see more of a bigger correction in the market, well, it can come down to 200. All right, so it can take out this post earnings lows and go lower, and that's where you might find support for Facebook. So don't want to make this video super long, but that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.